Hi, Yefo. Welcome to your second ICT lesson of the week. I am excited to announce that for now we have finished with PowerPoint. We've learned loads, we've seen loads of stuff, loads of amazing projects done in PowerPoint. But now it's time to move on and start something different or even more exciting, I'd say. So this week we are starting to learn about Scratch, or we are going to learn how to work in Scratch. What is Scratch? Scratch is basically an online software. It can be downloaded to your computers as well, but I think for now we will be fine working online. And in this program, you will learn how to do basic programming, or you will learn how programming works, and you'll be able to create your own projects. And it's going to be a lot of fun. All right, so let's get to it. Actually, before we do, I just wanted to say that we're going to do two things in this lesson. Number one, we're going to just generally learn how to do the basics, and then you are going to do your first project and then record it and post it on class.com. All right, guys. So what do you have to do? Open Google and just type in Scratch. Okay. Something like this will come up. It will have to be scratch.mit.edu. Okay, so just click into it. Guys, I already have an account, so once I click on this, it brings me to my account, but you guys will have to set up your own account. Guys, please do remember your login credentials, because once you lose them, it won't you won't be able to remember them, obviously. So please just make sure that you remember your login credentials, or you can even save them. Okay. All right. Once you're in, okay, and once you have your own account, okay, it will give you this page. Welcome to Scratch. Okay, learn how to make a project in Scratch. Just click on that, guys. It will bring you to this page about creating a new project. So you can play this little video
with Scratch. You can make your own super.
Okay, it's just like a little introduction. Anyway, you will have a chance to try out your first you will basically have a chance to try it for the first time. Okay. Right. So basically these tutorials show you everything step by step. Okay, so here's a cat. Okay, and they want you to use these. So obviously this is a move block, so they're all color coded, so just go by the color, and it's this color. So I'm going to click on motion, and it says move 10 steps. So I'm going to bring that over to here. This is the space where you're going to place your programming codes. Okay. All right, so move 10 steps, and the second one, say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, so that's purple. So say hello for 2 seconds. Okay. All right. Now they want us to click on both, so they become yellow. And basically, if you click on both, you can see that the cat actually moved. Okay. Every time I click on it, it moves, and it will say hello for 2 seconds every time I click on it. Okay. This is the code that I put in. Okay. This is for you to try it out. Okay, guys, once you've tried, go into tutorials. Click on, because we've already done getting started, so click on imagine a world. Okay, so here, if you want, you can watch this little introduction video.
Scratch to bring your ideas to life. Imagine if
Okay, so in this tutorial, you will be following the steps. Okay, so the first one, okay, type what you want to say. So obviously we have the cat, and the cat is going to say hello. I'm going to delete these because these are from before. You can easily delete them. Okay, so there we go. You must start afresh. Okay, so we have two purple ones. Say hello for 2 seconds. I'm going to bring that over. Say imagine if for 2 seconds. Say imagine if. Okay, that's the same one, guys. You will just need to type in imagine if. okay, for 2 seconds. Okay, next step. I will want that to happen when I click the green flag. So I need to go into its color orange. No, it's the yellow one. Some of the colors are really similar, so you'll get confused at one point. So there we go. I have that. So now when I actually click on the flag, okay, he says hello, and then imagine if. Okay, once again, hello, imagine if. Okay, got that. Right, next one. Choose any backdrop. So guys, here on the bottom, when you scroll down, it says backdrops. So I'm gonna choose like a desert. I'm gonna put in desert. Oh, there we go. And I'm gonna put that as my background, okay? All right, next step, choose any sprite. You'll have sprites to choose from. So guys, this icon, it tells you exactly where to click. So they want you to choose a butterfly this time. So you can actually go into search butterfly. There we go. I'm going to put it here. All right. And now they want us to put in these 3 codes. So I'm going to put in when space key pressed, start sound pop. Okay. And glide 1 second to random position. That's blue. Okay. Not this blue, must be this blue. Glide, yes, 1 second to random position. Okay, when does that happen? When space key is pressed. So let's check. Okay, I'm going to press the key. There we go. Glide it into random position, just as we programmed. Okay, next one, choose another sprite. They want us to choose Ben. Okay, so I'm going to type in Ben, but actually you can choose any, but for now, please stick to the ones that are shown in the video. So we have Ben. Now, what is Ben going to do? Ben, when a right arrow key pressed, okay, so don't forget to put these in. So when, again, guys, it's this one, but you will have to change the option. It says right arrow key pressed, change X, oh, there we go, change X by 10. And then another one, make sure they're not connecting, okay? Only the top 2 and the bottom 2 are connecting. Again, when this time they want a left arrow key. Left arrow key is pressed. Change X by -10. So change X by -10. I just need to change this to -10. So -10. Okay, good. So now, when does this happen? So when right arrow key is pressed or left arrow. Okay, so right arrow, let's look at Ben. Yes, he's moving to the right. And when I press the left arrow key, he's moving to the left. Okay, perfect. Okay, next one, we have a hedgehog. He's gonna move up and down. So again, I need to click on sprite. And where is the hedgehog? Okay, I can't find it, so I can type it. Brilliant. I'm gonna put that in. So again, events when up arrow, okay, when up arrow key is pressed, change Y by, okay. So we have the axis X and Y, right? So if I wanted to go right and left, okay, no. Yeah, right and left, that would be the X, and up and down would be Y, okay? So change Y by 10, change Y, sorry, no. Then we have when down arrow key pressed, okay, when down arrow, okay, and change Y by minus 10. Okay, let's see. So that's up and down. There we go. It worked. Programmed properly. Okay. And then we have the rooster. This is going to be an interesting one. Okay, I'm just going to move my sprites a little bit. So next sprite, don't forget the button is down here. So I'm going to go into roost. I'm going to go find rooster, type that in. There we go, rooster's here. When this sprite clicked, so this time you will have to click on them, okay, but you need to program it as well. So when this sprite clicked, switch costume, okay, go into looks purple, switch costume to rooster B, and then wait 0.3 seconds, okay, and then again switch costume to rooster A, and then wait 0.3 seconds. Okay, and all of this, don't forget, happens when this sprite is clicked. So let's click on the rooster. This is look A, look B, and back to A. A, B, A, B, A. Okay, all right, works. All right, guys. So what I need you to do is I'm gonna actually ask you to do it up to the planet Earth. And but if you want to do it until the very end, that's fine, okay, obviously, but you can stop at the planet Earth. Then what do you have to do? Guys, don't forget that sprite 1 was when green flag was clicked, then butterfly was space, Ben was right and left, hedgehog was up and down, and then rooster was the click. So what will you have to do? How will you record your video at the end? So once you've programmed everything, okay, this is going to be your video, okay? You will have to show off all of your characters, including the earth, okay? Actually, guys, don't do the earth, okay? Do it up to the rooster. So what we will do now, so first was the first character was when green arrow click, so you don't actually have to say anything, just click the thing. So first, okay. All right, then we had space. Then we had left, right. Then we had up, down. And then we have rooster when clicked. Okay, don't forget to use backdrop as well. So all you will have to do is just record a short video of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. You have to do exactly as shown in the tutorial. Don't change your characters, don't change anything, okay? Keep it the same and then upload a short video to show us how you did. All right, and that's it for now. Enjoy your projects. Looking forward to seeing them.